Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 4 challenges that haunt facility managers daily. We'll be shedding light on the constant firefighting, the understaffing issue, the budget balancing act, and the recurring maintenance problems. By the end of this video, you'll have gained valuable insights into these issues and how to deal with them effectively. So, buckle up and let's get started. Ever wondered what keeps a facility manager up at night? Well, today we're unpacking the top 4 challenges that facility managers deal with daily. These insights are based on my hands-on experience working with facility managers and technicians, and now assisting them in streamlining their operations at UpKeep. First on the list, the relentless struggle of putting out fires. Without a robust preventative maintenance strategy, facility managers find themselves in an endless cycle of urgent calls and critical decisions about prioritizing issues. The game here is all about juggling the unexpected and striving to keep everything running smoothly. Moving on, let's discuss the invisible burden, understaffing. It's a significant problem that many outside the maintenance department might not realize. Facility teams often find themselves stretched thin, struggling to keep up with demands even in the best-maintained spaces. The frustration is palpable when other departments expect their needs to be prioritized without considering the full context. Balancing the budget with expectations is another high-wire act for facility managers. They are continuously tasked with doing more for less, managing both time and costs meticulously. It's about saying no when necessary, but also explaining those decisions to uphold trust and ensure clients know their best interests are at heart. Lastly, the vexation of recurring maintenance issues. Often, problems recur because previous contractors might not have followed through properly, opting for quick fixes instead of sustainable solutions. This leads to facility managers having to fix the same issues over and over, which can be incredibly frustrating. At UpKeep, we understand these challenges and have developed tools to assist your team transition from a reactive to a preventative approach. Our work ticket system and CMMS aids you in tracking tasks, allocating time efficiently, and even generating essential reports for year-end reviews. And that wraps up our video. We've explored the top challenges of facility management: firefighting, understaffing, budget balancing, and recurring maintenance issues. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you transition from a reactive to a preventative approach.